Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bomx token. That is the name and the ticker symbol for this token. This is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it, because they are getting a brand new big central exchange listing, and we're going to go over all that info very soon. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, there's 8 decimal places on this token. Current supply, 90 billion tokens. So on the Solana blockchain, you can find them on SolScan. Name and ticker symbol is Bomx. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Maybe Bomx or Bomx. I don't know. Either way. And then the profile picture is like Pepe with a giant brain and glasses. Their Telegram can be found at Bomx_English, and they have 9,334 Telegram members. 736 of them are online, so that's a great place to talk to other community members, discuss the project, see new updates about the project, things like that, as well as their x.com would be another great place to find all sorts of updates. And I'm going to put that on the screen here as usual, and that is at SOL_BOMX, blue verified checkmark, 130 tweets. It says, jump on the lily pad with Bomx, where frogs lead the leap into crypto fun, Solana innovation, and riveting community vibes. Then they have a full link tree there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go on that Twitter there. 14,600 Twitter followers. And in one of their newest tweets here, they are talking about this brand new Mexc global listing they're getting. So April 8th at 9:30 UTC time, this token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Bomx, and then simply just buy the token. So on their link tree that you can find on the Twitter there, they have a full white paper, Telegram, English Telegram, X, and web page. So all sorts of links on that link tree there. And their web page has links to a whole bunch of things as well, Tokenomics, roadmap information, all that stuff there. You can skip right to their white paper by going to bomx.gitbook.io. So Bomx stands at the forefront of the meme coin revolution, not just as a participant, but as a trailblazer. With most cryptocurrencies focusing on a transactional utility or speculative value, this token aims to enrich the Solana blockchain with a layer of cultural richness and communal engagement unseen in the space. Through the playful symbolism of frogs, which are revered across various cultures for bringing luck and prosperity, Bomx introduces a narrative-driven approach to cryptocurrency, making it accessible and engaging for a broader audience. Embracing the power of community. At the core of Bomx's philosophy is a strong belief in the power of community. In a world where digital interactions often replace physical connections, this token seeks to foster a sense of belonging and shared purpose among its members. By creating a space where enthusiast developers, artists, and casual users can come together, this token is building a vibrant ecosystem that transcends the traditional boundaries of digital currency. Community-driven events, initiatives, and governance models are not just a part of the project, they are the project. So they are pioneering solutions for a brighter future. We are not just content with the status quo. Through its innovative use cases on the Solana blockchain, the project is exploring new frontiers in financial solutions, from creating more efficient transaction mechanisms to developing platforms for decentralized finance that are both user-friendly and secure. Bomx is at the cutting edge of financial technology. Moreover, the project is deeply committed to leveraging these advancements for good, supporting projects and initiatives within its ecosystem to aim and address the environmental issues, promote animal welfare, and improve social welfare. As Bomx hops into the future, its roadmaps reflects a series of carefully planned milestones. So let's skip actually down to token distribution here. So 40% of the tokens are going to go to the ecosystem support, 40% going to DEX liquidity, 10% foundation, 7% team and market value, 3% airdrops. And it says the economic model of this token is designed around the core principles of sustainability, inclusivity, and innovation by dedicating a significant portion of the token supply to the DEX liquidity and ecosystem support. We aim to build a project that not only thrives within the cryptocurrency space, but also contributes meaningfully to the wider world. Now, on their roadmap here, they are starting with the project launch, community building, then fundraising initiatives, community events and airdrops, platform enhancement and integration, sustainability initiatives launch, DEX listings, global outreach and educational campaigns, innovative DeFi solutions, then the governance framework. So basically a decentralized autonomous organization where you're going to be involved with participation in project decisions through voting rights, proposals, voting, and judging and all that type of stuff. Then we got ecosystem fund establishment and large community events. So you can check all this information out if you just go to this Twitter there, and then on the link tree is going to have all the links there. Their webpage has tons of cool memes on it if you want to check it out. And yeah, you'll be able to get this token here starting April 8th on Mexc Global. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.